So the Protective Style line is made specifically for you, all of your hair needs, for your wig, for your braids, for taking it down, for putting it back in, all the things. So I want to show you and walk through some of the products just so you kind of have a good understanding of like what you can do at home and what makes sense for your lifestyle, you know? And that's what the line is about, is more a line for your lifestyle. It's not just for salon, and it's not just for at home, but just everything in between. So I wanted to show you this product right here. It's called the Hair Bath and Cleanser. It's basically great for in between. Like, so when you take your wig off and you clean it, you can put it in the basin, pour a bunch of hair bath in there, and then just let your wig soak. Yes, because you know how sometimes it gets build up and all that stuff in there. So you got to clean it out. Otherwise, it's just going to keep getting caught and caught. So this one, what I like to do is like I'll pour it directly on here, or I'll take it and I'll pour it into some hot, like a bowl with hot water. And then I'll just submerge the hair in there and let it soak for a while. That's why we call it hair bath.
Love it.
Because you're really like giving your hair a bath. Yes, exactly. And then I like to follow up with the conditioning detangler. So you can use this as either a conditioner and you rinse it out, or a leave-in conditioner. So it doesn't really matter at what point you use it. It's just about getting the results you want. So it's a really lightweight kind of spray. And it'll help reform your curls. But it also just doesn't weigh the hair down a lot, so you can get what you need out of it. Or if you need to spray it and then kind of detangle through your wig.
It smells good too.
Yeah, it smells amazing, right?
It smells really good.
Yeah, it smells super good. So you just use a paddle brush and spray as much as you need, detangle through the hair. You can let it sit, or if you want to, you know, take out some of that product, you can rinse it and then just let it air dry. But I also like to use the conditioner detangler just in between. So like if you just wanted to refreshen a few pieces.
And you can even use it in like your real hair as well.
Exactly, exactly.
Yep.
You can use it on your braids. I like to use it on my braids. I put it at the root just to give it some moisture here. But you can put it on your curls and just kind of
just bring it back to life.
Exactly. And you don't have to do the whole thing. You can do isolated pieces as you need to. So this is a great product for travel as well.
Instead of just like having to find a basin and dumping your wig in it.
Exactly.
Like,
we don't have time.
Exactly.
This other product is also good for on the go. So it's a setting foam. So it kind of functions like side by side with these. If you need more moisture, then I would go with this one. If you need just more to like eliminate frizz, or you need to control the hair a little bit more, then you would go in with this one.
Perfect.
So the setting foam is great because, again, if you just have like isolated pieces and you want to just get the product on, it's a medium hold, so it's not going to leave the hair crunchy. It's not going to make it hard, but it is going to help you establish that curl.
Right. Oh wow. And then I diffuse my hair too, so it'll work perfectly since it's like a medium base, not that hard.
Exactly. So you can put the product on, you can put it all over and you can brush through and then scrunch if you want, or you can put it on isolated pieces and twist the hair, kind of coil them so you can get that curl that you want, and then go in with your diffuser and let it dry.
Perfect. Oh yeah, definitely burn it. I suffer a lot of frizziness, especially with the weather. So
yeah,
you know.
Yeah, it's great for frizz, but it's also not. It's not gonna weigh the hair down or make it look like crunchy.
Yeah.
But it is gonna bring your waves and curls back together. So. Love.
Yes.
This one is my favorite, girl. I can't wait to show you the deodorizing mist.
We all love a good scent.
Girl. I love a good scent. So especially when you're in between styles, if you don't really have time to like dunk your hair like we were talking about, you spray this all over.
And I'm gonna bring on the men in my life.
Baby. Quick, fast, in a hurry. They're gonna be running to you.
Oh my God, it
smells
so good.
So good.
Refreshing. Oh my, it smells like laundry.
I know, it's so good.
Wow.
Yes, so
I
this
love
is
that
the
scent.
deodorizing mist. We made it in this size so you can kind of like put it in your bag. You can travel with it. It's not too big, it's discreet. But yeah, this is gonna be your bestie right here.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Oh, I will spray it on like it's perfume.
And then let's talk about your scalp. Okay, are you giving your scalp proper care, proper attention.
I try.
Okay, so we're gonna kick it up a notch with our oil drops. These are gonna be great because they also soothe the scalp. It has a lot of tingling feeling. It has the tea tree oil in there. It also has the aloe vera, the marula oil, so it's gonna give it moisture, but it's not gonna be like super greasy. And it's a thicker oil, so it's not gonna run all down your face, your hair. You know what I mean? It's not gonna run. You know, you see how slowly it moves? It's not gonna just trickle.
Right.
Yeah, so you can put it in your scalp and then quickly put your hair on, and it's not gonna get all over your hair.
Right. There's a lot of oily products where it literally is dripping off
Yes,
the floor.
we don't want that. We don't want that. We gotta let's keep it in there. So this is gonna do exactly what you need it to do, but it's lightweight enough, but it sticks. You know what I mean? It's not gonna disappear. It's really gonna give your scalp exactly what it needs in the midst of wearing your hair.
Right.
Okay.
Take care of your hair underneath too.
Yeah. So those are all the products I think will be great for you.
Thank you so much.
I just want you to go out there.
I know, be free.
And extend the life of your hair.
I love it. Products are always a go-to thing, and like, no, thank you for sharing today, because I definitely need these things specifically for my extensions, wigs, and for my hair as well.
Yes,
Really
all the
important.
things, all the things.